What's up? It's your girl LJ, and I'm back with another juicing video. If you're new to my channel, I deal with stage 4 endometriosis. And of course, I've learned that veggies and fruits are really great for dealing with inflammation, especially if you want to do things the natural way. I don't really like taking a lot of pills, so we're going to do it the natural juice way. I'm back with another green juice, and I just changed out a few of the ingredients. So last time I used kale and celery. This time we got spinach and parsley, and we're gonna see, is there much of a difference in the taste? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash and chop and get the ingredients down to size, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I have washed everything, cut up the apples, took the core out, took the seeds out of the lemon. We are ready to go. Say less. We're gonna start with let's start with the cucumbers. I'm gonna speed through all of this. That way I don't have almost lost you. Speed through the juicing part. Okay. Cucumbers definitely give you a lot of juice. Now let's do the spinach. I'm gonna smush it on down. Just throwing it everywhere. Okay, we got it all. Let's see how much juice we get with spinach. So I was expecting a little bit more, but I mean, it was only two handfuls. And yeah, I guess that was pretty good. I really love the color. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's a really dark green. Parsley is next. Did I say handfuls for the spinach? It was 2 cups. Maybe I said that wrong, but it was 2 cups for the spinach. The parsley is a handful. Let's go. My favorite now is the sweet part, the apples. And I already know apples will provide a pretty good amount of juice. And I'm going to add these two once I get this down a little bit more. Those apples said they're not going down without a fight. But guess who's stronger? I had to put all my weight into it. So now we're going to add, it's a whole lemon. And I think it's supposed to be like an inch of ginger. I what I thought was an inch. Okay. I really don't like the taste that much, even though I know ginger provides a lot. Let's go. All right. That did pretty good. Come out front like I always do. Y'all know I gotta mix it. All right, let's give it a try. Not bad. I don't have much of a reaction only because it's kind of a neutral taste. I think the lemon really makes the drink. They kind of neutralize each other perfectly, where I don't think any of the veggies were overpowering. And of course, the apple helped with the sweetness. It's good. I'm definitely gonna drink it. Yeah. I'm trying to think, what is it that I taste the most? Maybe this. I don't know, y'all, but it's good. I would definitely do this again. I think I prefer the kale and the celery. I think I enjoyed that a little more. I think I might be tasting the spinach in this. Cucumber. The cucumber is kind of there. They produce a lot of juice. So maybe that's what's giving the most taste is the cucumber. But it's good, you guys. Give it a try. And you guys already know what to do. Like, subscribe. Tell me what other juice you would like to see. And join for the next video.